How to create a drip campaign with easy texting. A drip campaign is a series of automated personalized text messages you can use to engage with your audience over time. You can use a drip campaign to nurture leads, onboard new employees, engage with your most loyal customers, and so much more. First, from the main menu, click Campaigns, and then select Drip Campaigns. Click New Drip Campaign, and then enter a name for your campaign before clicking on Continue. Create a contact group by clicking Create New Group. Now enter the name for the group of the contacts you'd like to include in your campaign, and then tap Continue. You will be able to add new and existing contacts to this group later in the setup process. Now it's time to compose your message. Remember to follow standard messaging best practices to maximize open rates, replies, and engagement. Please note, once contacts have been added to a drip campaign, you won't be able to edit the message content. You now have multiple options for when your message will go out after a contact is added to a drip campaign. Select your timing options and click on Save. To learn more about scheduling your message, be sure to tap on the iCard in the top right to view our How to Schedule a Text Campaign video. To add more text messages to the Drip Campaign series, click Add Follow-up Message and repeat the process above. Please note, the scheduling timing is triggered based on the first day a contact is added to the drip campaign. When you're all ready, click on Launch Campaign to activate the sequence. You can also click on Finish Later to save a draft of the campaign. Please note, all new contacts who join the selected group or groups after this campaign is launched will start receiving messages from this campaign. Any contacts that are already added to the selected groups won't receive any messages. Congrats! You've now created your first drip campaign with easy texting.